We have a closing hymn. It's Reiko's favorite, or one of her favorites, because she loves the irony of the title, "Oh, what a piece of work we are." It's really complicated to sing. So is someone coming down to lead us here? We're singing this? No? No. All right, let's rise as we're able and let's try to see what a piece of work we are.